sure no one has ever thought about this, but how can we get our Spider-Man action figures to stand in the way that Spider-Man does in the Spider-Man 2 game? Well, I think I've found out just how to do it. Let's look at a reference picture, shall we? Now, as you saw, Spidey stands hunched in the game. Well, okay, that's easy enough to replicate, so let's try it. So I'll try to do the exact same thing. And unfortunately, my Spider-Man figure is extremely loose. But I think... Nope, I'm gonna have to put him on a harder surface. And by a harder surface, I mean a better one. So, I have here some printer paper, and I'm thinking this will be a little bit better. So, Spider-Man stands hunched, and he doesn't have his gut out, because that would be weird. And he has his fists out. Sort of. His arms are actually kind of straight. Ah, blast you. Come on, stand up. I don't think he's gonna stand up. There we go. That's about as good as I think I can get it. And he bends at the knees. Not too much though, because if you bend at the knees too much, it looks like he's, crouching on the ground. And even mine looks a little bit too extreme. But, yeah. But with a little adjusting, you too can have your Spidey stand in the same way he does in the game. Mine was a very bad example, but thanks for watching.